Hi, in this video today I will guide you how to use the Visual Studio Code to debug setup console application. Okay, so here this is the basic example hello world from Tianfu. This will print out the message to the console. So here I will use this one to show you the demonstration on how to debug. Okay, here you can see on the left hand I have a debug icon here. Click on this one. Okay. And here on the top we have debug section. You click on the drop down arrow here and make sure we have a .NET Core launch console. You have to select this one. Okay, cool. So now here, back to the shortcode, I will add a breakpoint to this one. Okay. So now here I will click on the green icon here, or you can press the F5 on the Windows keyboard. Yeah. Okay. So it will run all of the code and will stop until it reaches the breakpoint here. Okay. So now here you will use this one, this navigation tool to debug the shortcode here. Okay. Step over F10. Yes, and like here you can see it will print out the hello world from Tianfu message to the console. Okay, very good. Output problem. Okay, and here I will go ahead to add more some code here to show demonstration so you can see it. Okay, I will enter integer a number 1 equal 1, number 2 equal 10, result equal number 1, additional number 2, console, right line, result. Okay, and here this is very basic example. Okay, I clear the console and I will add a breakpoint here, this one. Okay, run it again in the debug mode. Okay, cool. And here you can see it has print out the hello world from Tianfu into the console, and after that it stopped when it reaches the breakpoint here in the declaration for the number 1 variable here. I will using the F10. You hover to the number 1 here. Its value on the top is 1. The same thing for number 2 is 10. Next, and the result it should be 11. Okay, and now when you go to step over, it will display the 11 in the console here. Okay, cool. 11. Yeah. Okay. So I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to use the Visual Studio Code to debug a console application of the setup. Okay. Happy coding and thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you later.